Hi everyone, welcome back to Engineering Space where engineers break the border of engineering. Today's video we are going to learn something new related to engineering, and it is about the way to use one of a sectoral software or interior software also. It's called as SketchUp. So without any further ado, let's jump on it. So here is the first window when we open the SketchUp, and then basically we should choose what kind of template we are going to use, and there are several templates as shown in the window. First is using the simple templates with measurement unit using inches, and then plan view within the measurement using meters, and then there are also several options, but basically I use the architectural templates with millimeters as a measurement unit. So we choose it, and then once we choose it, the new window will appear as shown here. So when we starting to design something, in some cases we may face some troubles, and we need to also change the preferences or the sample that we use. So in some cases when we start to drawing something or create a design on SketchUp, we may need to change our preferences to the model and the template that we use. From like what I said previously we choose the simple template with measurement unit using millimeters maybe, but in some cases we need to change it into another measurement unit. So we can do it directly even after you choose a specific template models. So the way to change it, go to window, go to preferences, and then we go to the template here and choose any option that was provided here, or even you can also create a custom default drawing template as what you wish to do. For example, I would like to change the unit from inches into maybe millimeters, so let's go choose this one, and then once we press the OK button, it will be automatically change the measurement unit and also the template that we use. On the other hand, if you would like also to change the measurement unit with specific unit that we wish to apply and on the template that we use, we go to window and then go to model info. Here there are several options, but in changing the units, we go to the units tab and then choose any formatting that we wish to use. For example, like we can choose the format maybe in architectural format, decimal, engineering, or fractional, and then after that we go to the option of length, area, and volume. We need to also consider here, or need to mention from my side, that there are several options, like there are options for length, area, and volume, and we can choose different units for every section here, like length, area, and volume itself. Like for length we choose millimeters, for area we choose meters, for volume we use yards. Oh, sorry. But usually I don't know, you maybe as an engineer prefer to use same unit for every situation. Like for the length we use millimeters, and also for area we also choose millimeters, and of course the volume also, because in designing something like engineering design or architectural design or interior design, we need the consistency of design that we use. And yeah, we can also change the display precision here, like maybe you put 0.0 after the point, maybe you choose 1 or 2 numbers behind the point or the comma. And after you choose, okay, let me try to use this one as 2 point after the comma, or 2 number after the point or comma. So we close it. And then now I think I need to also mention that several line, as you saw in the video here, there are 3 lines. It is the red line here with, and also the green line, and also the blue line. The red line represents the x-axis, and the green line, and also the green line shown the y-axis, and the blue line provide the z-axis. And also if we zoom in here, we can get the dotted line here, and it is represent the negative values from the from the 0 point that is the specific here. And also maybe I need to also mention you that how to use maybe like controlling button on SketchUp, because it's from one software to another software it different. Like if we use the Rhino, there are different, it is different with when we use SketchUp here. So let me try to explain it to you. If we use the scrolling button on our mouse, if we wish to, or if we would like to zoom in the object, we use the scrolling button, go to the up or increase, and it will be closest to the object that we choose on a specific object using our mouse. And if we would like to zoom out, we go to downing the scrolling button, and if we press the scrolling button and you drag it in here, so you got the rotate views like this one. And then if we press the scrolling button and also along with the shift button, you got the pan button here, so you can something like, yeah, changing the views as shown in the window. So if you're not quite familiar with the way to use mouse, basically if we right click here, we got some option in first selection, make component and make group. It will be useful when we create several objects and we would like to make it as a component, or grouping several components, something like that. And then if we use the left button, it will be something like similar like in usual daily use of mouse. We can, if we like to wish to choose something, we use left button. So let me show you how it looks the mouse. Yeah, and this is the standard views of mouse. If we choose right button here, and the scroll button directly here. So I think that's all for now, today's videos. So thank you for your attention, guys. If you think this video is useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you cannot miss our next videos. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.